Click on the link below to get price. The Sony FE 50mm F1.2 GM standard prime lens, SEL50F12GM, is an exceptional addition to any photographer's kit, particularly for those using full-frame E-mount cameras. With its impressive f/1.2 maximum aperture, this lens excels in low-light conditions and provides an exquisite shallow depth of field that allows for stunning background blur, or bokeh. The optical quality is outstanding, featuring a sophisticated design with 11 elements in 8 groups, including aspherical and extra-low dispersion glass elements to minimize aberrations and distortions. The build quality of the lens is robust and feels premium. It features a weather-sealed design, making it suitable for outdoor photography even in challenging conditions. The focus ring is smooth and provides precise control over manual focus, while the fast and reliable autofocus system ensures quick subject acquisition. Whether you are shooting portraits, street photography, or landscapes, this lens handles it all with remarkable clarity and detail. One of the striking features of the FE 50mm F1.2 GM is its ability to render colors beautifully. Images produced with this lens have a vividness that can elevate the overall quality of your photos. The sharpness is impressive even at wide-open apertures, with only slight improvements noted when stopped down. This makes it a versatile tool for a range of photographic styles, from candid shots to controlled studio setups. The lens size and weight are reasonable for a prime of this caliber, allowing for easy portability without compromising on performance. While the price point is on the higher side, the quality and capabilities of this lens justify the investment for serious enthusiasts and professionals alike. In summary, the Sony FE 50mm F1.2 GM is a stellar lens that delivers exceptional performance, making it a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their photographic artistry.